Hello traders, this is Umar with you. I'm sure if you are an option seller in India, you need extra add-ons like option trading platform. Particularly in India, if you see, there are very two famous option trading platform, which is Sensible, and of course it's a part of Zerodha, and Options Opstra. So in this video we will see the pros and cons of this Sensible and Options Opstra. So why do you need extra add-ons? What is the use of these add-ons, or what is the use of this option trading platform? Like if you are an option seller, or if you are an expert option seller, you will need this application to build strategies, or when you do adjustment you will require to have these applications or have these add-ons to see how things work when you build a strategy or when you do an adjustment. So there are many advantages and disadvantages in these applications, and we will see what are the advantages and disadvantages in this in those applications. Plus if you want, there are also other applications, like if you want to monitor the open interest, since you are an option seller, you will require to focus mainly on open interest or option chain or payoff graph, right? So there is one more extra application which is called OI Pulse, which mainly focuses on open interest. So it is not required. Whatever details OI Pulse is giving is also available in Sensible and Options Opstra. It is up to you. It is an extra requirement. It is an extra thing. If you want, you can subscribe to OI Pulse also. But what OI Pulse does is it gives an in-depth analysis or in-depth data of what is happening in the market on a time frame, particular time frame. Say for example, you can analyze OI for 3 minutes or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. So you are not going to get this tick by tick data in Sensible or Opstra, right? So I'm not telling you have to have these things, but it is an additional feature or additional thing which you may require to do to be a successful option trader, right? So anyway, Sensible and Opstra you will require to do strategies. You will require to do you will require to do a strategy to see the payoff graph, what is going to be your profit, what is going to be your loss, or how much is going to be your risk reward, margin requirements, and so on. So in this video, as I told, we will discuss the pros and cons of all these applications and see if it can be of any help use to us, right? Okay, now we will see at what we can get from Sensible. As I told you, this is a part of Zerodha. Like Zerodha has a bootstrap startup called Rain Matters. So with the help of Rain Matters, they have built this application, standalone application, which is very much helpful for option traders. See, like we have a strategy wizard and strategy builder, virtual trade. Virtual trade is like you don't have to play with your real money. You can do some paper trading in this, and they have expert advice, learn trading. So they have some tutorials about options, how to do options, how to trade strategies, and so on, right? And they have their chat support. Social trading is of something like advisory service, and these analysis tools are very much important. Stock data, option chain, this option chain tells us what is happening in the market, right? Like if you see 15,800, there is good amount of put rating. So 160% is the increase of open interest in 15,800. So with this, maybe you can take any action, or there is a straddle in this 15,800. So there might be a good volume increase. So people might be writing 15,800 weekly straddle or 15,900 straddle, and so on, right? And and if you see on the call side, there is a good amount of open interest at 16,000. People may think that is the good resistance, and that's what the OI says, right? And open interest chart it is having. These are all like good things. And if you see today, at around 12:40, people have there are more puts, so they are bullish, they have written more puts, right? And people were telling that this FIIs have reduced their OI position in futures, so market may be crashed, market will go down. Nothing is happening. Market has already touched our all-time high, right? We have almost in yesterday's video I told that 15,835 is going to be our new lifetime high, and we are going to pass that, and we have already done that. And the most interesting thing in this Sensible application is, like, you can build a strategy. Let's say you are taking a 15,900 straddle in a 17th June expiry, so you will know everything here. So on the downside, 767 is going to be your break even, and on the upside 16,000 is going to be your break even, right? Your margin is going to be 1.8 lakh and so on. But the greatest thing is, and the premium what you are going to get is around 9,900. But the greatest thing what you can do in Sensible is you can trade these strategies directly from Sensible. You don't have to go to your broker platform to do this action. That's what is the best advantage in Sensible. And of course, since I have told that Zerodha, Sensible is part of Zerodha, you can, if you are having a brokerage account with Zerodha, you can place your orders directly from Sensible. Apart from Zerodha, they have partnered with IIFL, 5paisa, and a few other brokers. So you don't have to worry. You can place your orders directly if you have a Sensible account. And of course, it is going to be Sensible. This is a paid version, and you will have to shred around maybe 700 or 800 rupees. That's what I think I know. Since I have Zerodha account, what they are doing is I have authorized them to deduct that subscription charges from my account, so they are going to charge it. I think it is going to be around 7. If you do go for an annual plan, you are going to, let's see how much. If you are going to go for an annual plan, for an annual plan, 6 months plan, it is the pro version is going to cost you 1040 rupees, and the light version is going to cost you somewhere around 604 rupees. That's what I think. The pro version is 1300 if you go on a monthly basis, and if you go on a 6 months basis, it is going to be 1040 rupees. So you are going to save some money here, right? And if you see the light version, it is going to cost you 640 rupees per month. So you are going to just save 160 rupees here, and you will get all the futures here, whatever futures they have in light version, plus you are going to get some additional features in pro version also. So the strategy builders and all, I think, is going to be available only in pro version. I'm right, I think. The strategy builder and all, and this order placement and all, you are going to get here in pro version only. FII data is not available in light version, and IV chart is not available here. Then virtual trading available? Virtual trading is available on both things. So these things you have to decide whether if you are an amateur trader, you can go for pro version, or if you are a beginner, you can try with a light version. They don't have any free versions, so you can use these things to use as per your requirement. You can choose which one you want, right? And they are having stock wise open interest also, option chain. 50-day moving average, some technical things they are having. So they are having lots and lots of facilities in Sensible, So it's up to you whether you want Sensible or if you want options Opstra. What is the pros and cons of options Opstra? Now this is not part of any brokerage firm. This is a standalone, it is a part of a company called Define Edge Solution. So the same features what you get in Sensible will also be available in Opstra, but the major disadvantage of Opstra is that you cannot place orders directly with your brokers from this option trading platform. That is, you cannot place orders from Opstra to your broker. Say for example, you are having a Zerodha account, you cannot go and place your trades in Zerodha account from Opstra. You will have to do the homework here, then you have to go to your broker, then you have to place the order. But the advantage in Opstra is that you can simulate, you can backtest the previous data. Say for example, we are in the month of June, you can go and backtest a strategy in the month of January, February, March 2021 or maybe April 2020. So you can go backside and you can go in past and you can do some backtesting. This is the main feature available in Opstra, which is not available in Sensible. If you go to option chain and if you go to option simulation, you can backtest any date. Say for example, I want to backtest March, maybe November 2020. I can just go and backtest that one. You are going to get the option chain. Let me see. So you are going to get the option chain of November series. So maybe November, in the month of November, market was around 11,600. So this is the one good facility which you are not going to get in options in Sensible. So for this reason alone, this software is very good, and I use this software also. I have Sensible since my one of my trading account is with Zerodha. I use Sensible plus I use Opstra also to do some backtesting or see how things work. So that is one advantage of this Opstra. Plus they have some futures dashboard also, which is also available in Sensible. You don't have to worry about that. All futures you are having, whatever Sensible is having, you will get in Opstra as well. But one feature you are not getting in Sensible is that you cannot go back, you cannot go and backtest January or 6 months old option chain, which is available in Opstra. In Sensible, you cannot go beyond 2 or 3 months, go to January or February and do a backtesting. But in Opstra, you can do. That advantage is in Opstra. But in Sensible, you can do a trading from your trading Sensible platform itself. If your broker is partnered with Sensible, you can directly place orders from Sensible to your trading account. Many times we build strategies, we do strategies and we place orders from Sensible. I think I have shown you that. So that is one advantage of Sensible and disadvantage of Opstra. In Opstra you can do a historical backtesting, but in Sensible you cannot do that. So these are the two different pros and cons of Sensible and options Opstra. So it's up to you. If you want, you can take Sensible account, or if you want, you can do Opstra account. But I don't have any link, or I don't have any referral program, or they have not given me any referral code to share. So you can just go and search for Opstra or Sensible and you can subscribe to this add-ons or option trading platform. Apart from that, so this is what the difference between Opstra, Sensible and OI Pulse. So I think I have explained you something about these applications. These applications are, as I told you, are add-ons. You really don't require these platforms, but most of the option trader use these platforms. I personally use all three of them. I use Sensible, I use Opstra, I use OA Pulse also. OA Pulse last few months only I am using, but Sensible and Opstra have been using for many years, like last 1 or 2 years I have been using them. So it's of very useful application. You can do many things with this application. So it's up to you, like I've been telling, it's up to you. If you want, you can take this application, or if you don't want, even if you have an Excel sheet in your system, you can do many things. You can build a payoff graph. If you go on Google Excel payoff graph, you will get a free version also. So without this also you can survive. There is no necessity that you have to have these applications. But see, we are in very comfort zone. No, we have so much money, so we will just throw some money, right? Just for just telling like that. But these are good application. You are the every amount, every 1 rupee you spend on these applications are going to help you. No doubt about that. So that's it for the video. I think I have explained this application up to some extent. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.